Yo, what up, Bather? How you doing, bro? What up, Bather? Sure, bang. How you doing, Bather? What up, man? What up? What M&M am I buying? I'm buying all of them. Yo, Odie, you actually begging it? Like, just tell us or shut up. Yeah, cheers. Like, you're bare begging it. Sonic, there is content out. You might have opened it all, though. Appreciate it, Bather. Alright, same prediction for the 83 by 10. Load up on the prediction, boys. Do not be scared. Load up on the prediction. Never doing one, Sane. Alright, good luck, George. Good luck, good luck. Boys, load up on the prediction. Stop being pussies. 83 by 10. Load up. Yo, what's good, Poggy? How you doing, bro? Alright, send it. Good luck. Send it whenever you're ready, George. Dub Wijnaldum. Send it forward. Oh, send it back. No. GG's, George. Yeah, going back to back, Bather. Back to back, light work. Alright, Flinty, what are you sending? Yeah, cheers, Klosky. What are you sending me, Flinty? Like, I'm gonna turn in a second. What are you sending me? Oh, good, Fav. Back sliced. All that just to get shut on, bro. Nice one. Alright, 83 by 10. Yeah, Bather. Easy back to back, bro. Hot pies, baby. Hot pies, hot pies. You know what I'm saying? No colour. Hot pies, hot pies. No double walkout.